Shit.
Whoa. Do you have to use that word?
Come on, Mum. Everyone says shit. Not a bad word.
Oh, well, if that's not a bad word, then what is?
Mum, just chill out.
No. What I'm saying is, in our whānau, we do not swear. I mean, if you start out by saying shit in front of your mother, then what happens next?
You for real?
Ai, tika ka kōrero.
You know, swearing's everywhere, Mum. I mean, all you need to do is just listen to some music or watch TV or TikTok or all those stand-up comedians. You know, it's normal.
Well, it's not normal in our whare. You know, the main reason people swear is because either they don't have enough words to express themselves or they're lazy. I mean, would you swear in front of your nan?
Yeah.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, nah. I wouldn't.
You know, the reason kids swear is because they hear adults doing it. Okay, to play?
No, have you first seen my glasses?
Carl.
Oh.
Shit.
Seriously?